2026 has marked a historic turning point for the XRP ecosystem as it officially moves from a retail-dominated asset into a new era of massive institutional expansion. The emergence of spot XRP ETFs has shifted the narrative from mere speculation to a defining market force, fundamentally altering how capital flows into the digital asset space. The scale of this shift is best seen in the data from early 2026. By March of this year, spot XRP ETFs had already crossed a major milestone, reaching over $1.53 billion in assets under management. This record-building phase was initiated following the resolution of key regulatory disputes, which finally paved the way for major global asset managers to enter the market. Financial giants like Grayscale, Franklin Templeton, and Bitwise Asset Management have led the charge, launching regulated products that have removed the long-standing barriers for institutional investors. In April alone, we have seen consistent weekly inflows ranging from $55 million to $119 million. This surge in confidence is being driven by unprecedented regulatory progress. In March 2026, XRP received a dual classification as a digital commodity, a move that drastically reduced legal ambiguity for large-scale financial participants. Looking forward, the proposed Clarity Act stands as a major potential catalyst that could solidify this status even further, potentially unlocking billions of dollars in additional institutional allocations. Interestingly, despite this institutional wave, the data shows that XRP maintains a uniquely strong grassroots foundation. While interest from big funds is growing, approximately 84% of total inflows are still driven by retail investors, with institutions currently making up the remaining 16%. For active traders, this evolution brings several tangible benefits. As more capital enters through these regulated channels, the markets are becoming deeper and more efficient. However, this new landscape also requires a more sophisticated approach to risk management. The heavy retail influence within the ETF flows means that market sentiment remains a powerful and sometimes volatile factor. Beyond trading and speculation, XRP's long-term value in 2026 is anchored in its real-world utility. The XRP Ledger continues to scale as a critical infrastructure for cross-border payments and the tokenization of real-world assets. The market's reaction has been notably bullish. Recently, the price climbed into the 1.40 to 1.50 range. The base case for the end of 2026 sits at a bullish $8.00, with some long-term projections reaching even higher. Ultimately, the surge in ETF activity we are witnessing in 2026 isn't just a short-term trend, it's a structural transformation. By understanding this interplay, you can capitalize on XRP's growing role in the global financial landscape.